Hey, it's Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. We're here today with Tom Daniels and Tina Marie Wohlfield talking about HRUnite Michigan, the upcoming conference. So Tom, tell us a bit about your presentation.
So let's just talk about the data first. So SHRM recently released an article in their March issue that they titled Turnover Tsunami Expected Once the Pandemic Ends. An article references a recent study that more than half of employees surveyed in North America are looking to change jobs in 2021. And then there was another article in Forbes magazine back in January that was titled Prepare for the Great COVID Job Churn. By 2021 will be a year of massive job turnover. By the time we get to the conference in July, the year's going to be half over. So what are organizations doing to try to maintain their workforce? The data says that people will stay because of opportunities for growth, opportunities for development. When people feel valued and feel like people care and they're giving them opportunities, I think that those are opportunities that we'll have to maintain our employees, especially during this potential tsunami. And so the session will talk a little bit about coaching and a little bit about those coaching conversations. How do we get better at doing that? How do then we get the employee to be able to engage in a little bit more of their career development?
And I imagine this topic is probably top of mind for many leaders after the year that we've been through, Tom. And Tom, for people who aren't familiar with you and a little bit of your background, could you tell us about you?
So yeah, a little bit about me is I work for Bowling Green State University in Bowling Green, Ohio, and I serve as the Assistant Director for Graduate Executive Programs and Business, which is a mouthful, of course. So effectively what I get to do is help with admissions as well as advising for graduate students in business. So most of my students are adult students with some years of experience, and they're coming back to school to either learn their master's degree in business administration, or MBA, or a master's degree or a doctorate degree in organization development.
Well, it sounds like you're very passionate about, this whole topic of career coaching and mentorship. And I have to say, when you talk about enhancements, and we have a video enhancement, it looks like you're in front of the campus right now. Is that right? Is that a place that we can see on campus if we were to visit you?
It is. In fact, it's one of the most social media photos on campus.
Very cool. And you're all color coordinated and on brand too. So Tina Marie, before we wrap up here today, can you tell us a bit more about the conference, where we register, and what else do we need to know?
So anybody that is interested should join us on July 14th and 15th for our 2021 conference. We'll be offering a dual platform this year. You can attend in person in Frankenmuth. Yes, there will be chicken dinner there, which is what Frankenmuth, Michigan is known for, as well as an attend from anywhere platform. HRUnite is in 8 states with groups meeting in 8 states, as well as has a footprint of membership over 30 states. So we want to give that inclusive option to have anyone that would love to join us, even globally, hop on and attend from anywhere. Also, there will be, for those attending in person and a virtual mix of this, a really interesting HR scavenger hunt. Can't share all the details, but it's going to be HR awesome.
That's great. And how can people register if they want to attend?
Check us out at HRUnite Michigan. Link to register is below. And tag your friends. Bring your entire HR department. Bring your HR neighbor. Just everybody come join us. It's going to be epic.
Great. Well, any leader or executive or a professional for that matter who's interested should definitely check out the conference. And like Tina Marie said, please tag them in the comments below or click to share this video with someone in your network. On behalf of all of us, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.